We had a problem with the fender hitting these head bolts. The frame itself was bent right where that jack is. So we took a jack, steel bar. There's the old fender. Steel bar. All right, guys, let me just jump in here real quick. We're trying to hit 4,000 watch hours. Got a couple of really short videos. 4,000 watch hours. Not so hard. Let's get these videos out to people. Share. Watch the video all the way through. As soon as we hit 4,000 watch hours, we're monetized. We got the subscriber base. We got everything else. It's just watch time. Flip through these videos. Get some watch time in there. Really, really appreciate it. Let's get this channel monetized and let's get moving forward. Thank y'all for the support. Really appreciate all of it. And y'all have a great day. It's been a long, hard trip, long, hard road. Let's get this thing rolling. Thanks, guys. On there, big old heavy duty bitch. 20-ton bottle jack. Chains. And she's pulling away.
Past it a little bit so when it come back, when it flex back.
We're close though. It's right there.
You know they changed that one head.
Alright, y'all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you watch the video all the way through to the end. It really helps out the channel. YouTube's going off watch time at this point. Comments help push the videos, so throw a comment in there, tell me what you think of the video and what we're doing here. Nope. Y'all have a great day and enjoy the rest of the video. Almost. A little bit. That it? That's it. We're there.
Bottle, baby.
Clear. That's it. That's the way to do it. More welding. This is how we do it.